welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and I'm back in this thing, y'all. I told y'all I was on a video Saturday, but today technically is Sunday because it is like 6 o'clock in the morning, and I've been on this tutorial all day long. Like, I don't know why I've been on this tutorial forever, like trying to get it bright, and then sometimes I was messing up on the blending that pink in, like y'all see it in this tutorial. But y'all, these nails is like so full, so danky. I went to this new girl. I can't do it. I can't do it. These motherfuckers popped off. It ain't even been 5 days, baby. Look at that. No. I am in love with this look. I'm really feeling this look. It's like so bold on the eye. I'm giving it to y'all tonight. Even though I am so tired and I want to get in bed. But I am giving it to y'all. And this is me. This is how I look. Whole time, like I said, I'm gonna sleep in this week because I am not watching this off. Really hope y'all like this tutorial. I mean, I really hope y'all like this look because it is fire. Y'all want to get cute for Valentine's Day and y'all looking for a bomb look, something dramatic as hell on the eyes and nude on the lips, this is it for you. I keep looking over here because I'm looking at the camera. But anyways, I'm rumbling and I'm tired. So if y'all want to see how I achieve this beat, keep watching, y'all. Y'all gotta watch it.
Shit, Valentine's Day, when is that?
14th.
Bitch, I'm such a hoe, I ain't even know.
And I took my Plouise number 6 and then Helen Base. I'm still trying to test it out to see. I'm sorry, I keep looking over here. I'm trying to test it out to see if I really like it. Today we are playing in the BPerfect Carnival palette. This is the Stacey Marie palette. Y'all, all these damn colors. We're gonna start off with this black. Take my medium shader brush and we're gonna take that black all the way. Just never tried the different colors as the other transitions. This tiny brush, this is my MAC 221. I'm gonna take my in Lust and Funky right now. Just basically packing this on the black. Oh, 6 from Morphe. Add black. Smoke it up. Maybe I'll kind of blend it out because it's not looking right there. And Neutrogena right, y'all. Okay, blend. Come on, blend. These brushes that I use are from Michaels. It's a number 10, so any brush you get a number 10 and cut it and customize it to your liking, y'all. This number 0. I think I'm doing a white lid. Take this BH, it's recorded. This BH Cosmetics brush. I mean, not BH, what the hell am I saying? Real Techniques, and pat the lid. Actually going to James Charles palette and grabbing that white. I thought Pillow Talk was white, but it's not. And I'm gonna put this all over my lid. iNGLOT gel liner in number 77. my Anastasia Beverly Hills powder, y'all, and I'm just basically tapping this in the skin. So I like to go on top of my eyebrows as well to powder, because it'd be like I don't want nothing wet on my brows, nothing wet anyway. So I powder everywhere, even on top of my brows. Again, Mineralize skin finish to give it more skin-like, to powder all over. So I'm gonna take that. I am almost out. I'm bronzing my Morphe bronzer. My Saharan Value 1 and number 2 palette. And I am going to go in with the darkest shade in this Value 1 palette, which is the pink. And I'm going to put that blush towards the back. Swipe my brush off, and I want to go in with a softer blush towards the front. So I'm either going to take this one or this one. I'm thinking about this one because it's light pink. So you put your highlight on top. I just OD'd on a blush. Going with my Morphe spray, and I want to spray my face. Ooh. Okay, so I'm going to take my Dose of Color Chasing the Sun highlighter. NYX Chestnut. My lip liner harsh today. I just want it like real soft. And I want to take Mint. I know I haven't took a lipstick in so long. So it's a MAC Mint lipstick. It's like they all in there. I'm collecting them. That's what I feel like. And they be so pretty. Or y'all can leave like this, or y'all can do gloss. I'm gonna do gloss. This is from the Nicki Minaj collection, I think. Or if not, this is from MAC though. But it's called Under the Sheet. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Just to tell me what y'all think in the comment section below, because I think it's cute. But I also want to know if y'all want me to do like sultry looks, like a smoky eye, like a brown smoky eye with a red lip or something. Oh, that's how pretty. Something like that. I think that might be my next look. I'll see you guys on the next video.